So in 2024, when Hurricane Helene came through Valdosta, I had just opened a new business in addition to my regular job, and there was a lot of damage done to my home. I had also been hit previous to that by some straight line winds that put a tree in my yard and took down my fence. And just before that was Hurricane Idalia that also damaged my home a little bit. Had to get a new roof there. And just before that, there was another tree. So I'd had a rough few years with things happening to my home. And I had called and kind of handled those repairs myself, finding the folks to do it, and working with the insurance company myself and moving on. But when Helene hit, I had too many things going on. And not only that, there's a great big tree in the middle of my living room. I may get a little emotional here, but it was a hard time. I'm sorry. And I knew I couldn't handle those repairs myself. I saw a sign for a free tarp, and I thought, yes, that's the ticket. That's what I need right now is a tarp. So let me call that number, and a guy named Chris showed up, and he really impressed me with his knowledge. He walked around my house and talked about everything that he saw initially that was affected. Of course, the tree in my living room and in my laundry room, and my garage door, and the whole motor, the unit was on the ground. There was just a lot to process at that time. And again, I knew I couldn't do it myself. And so I signed up with J&J Remodeling of Georgia. That was probably the best decision I ever made. For me as a DIYer and someone that thinks that I can do things myself and have a hard time letting go of that, I knew this was more than I could take on myself. So it was quite a lengthy process to get the ball rolling and those repairs to get started. But in that interim period, there was a lot of back and forth with the insurance company. Had I tried to handle this myself, there's so much that would have been overlooked, left undone, and left me with a house that was not structurally sound. I remember one particular day when there was a representative from the insurance company here, and for a specific reason, because we were going back and forth about my roof that had just been replaced a year earlier. The contractor I found, or the roofing company I found to do it, didn't do it to code. I guess maybe they thought they were trying to help me save some money, but it wasn't to code. And so J&J Remodeling really fought for me to not just get that half of the roof that the tree went through replaced, but to replace the whole thing so that it would be just as it's supposed to be. The whole thing sound. There was back and forth with the city code enforcement folks. There was disagreements and not seeing eye to eye about what was actually code. There was discussion with J&J up with the people in Atlanta about what was required and what was to be placed in there. And that discussion on the roof of my house one day with the J&J rep and the insurance representative really set J&J a notch above everybody else. When the education and the knowledge that was coming out of their mouth, I was just really impressed. And they fought for that, and I got the whole roof replaced. There were so many things that as they worked on my home throughout the repairs that wouldn't have been found otherwise. My insurance only wanted to replace the door that was bent on my garage door. They replaced the whole thing, the motor, everything. I could go on and on about all of the things that they found that I would have overlooked or not known, or things that were missed before. But they took care of me. I told them from the beginning, this is my house and this is all I've got. This is what my grandchildren, this is Mima's house. This is home to my children. It's not much, but it's mine. And they treated it like that. Even my dogs, they took them into consideration. I told them right off the bat, I need to come home, but I can't come home until I have a fence again. And so they worked really hard to make that happen, so at least I could get back in my home. Um, the communication back and forth was wonderful. I had a dedicated representative assigned to me that would keep me updated of what was going to happen, what the schedule was. When it came time to do the inside work of my home, um, Brandon told me, he knows I work from home, and he told me with my schedule, you pick when we get to start. You tell me, and we'll work around you. So when that time came, I did, and they did wonderful. They had everything packed up and ready to go. They sent me the schedule of who's going to be at my house doing what. Um, there were a few things that maybe weren't done quite as they should have been, but there was no problem getting the guys right back in here to bring those up to where they needed to be. But hands down, I would recommend J&J Remodeling of Georgia to anyone needing repairs, restoration, remodel, addition, anything at all. They've kind of become like family to me, and I appreciate every bit they've done.